Dear viewers, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to visualize start column chart in Angular application using Google Chart library. A start column chart is a column chart that places related values atop one another. If there are any negative values, they are stacked in reverse order below the chart's baseline. It is typically used when a category naturally divides into components. In this video, I will create a demo Angular application where chart data will come from SQL Server database and .NET 5 REST API will play a middleman role to expose the database data to the Angular application to visualize in a start column chart. I will be using Visual Studio Code for creating Angular application, Visual Studio 2019 for creating .NET 5 REST API, and SQL Server for database. Let's open the project using Visual Studio Code. This project I had created in the last videos of this playlist. So type here npm start. This will run the application in browser. If you are familiar in Angular, you are familiar with this command. If you are not, please watch my Angular fundamental playlist. There the pie and column chart I had created in the last two videos. If you still don't watch those videos, please watch them before watching this video. So let's start building the stacked column chart in this application. So split the terminal. Create a component for stacked column chart using a shortcut command ngg for generate c for component, and chart will be the folder name, and the component name is stacked column chart. Press enter. Yeah, this is the newly created component. So let's change the selector, just removing the F. Okay, copy this one and paste here. So at the moment of completing the implementation of start column chart, this will be visualized in this section. So start column chart. Okay. Basically in browser we'll find here. To visualize chart in any JavaScript application, so there are basically three steps. First one is load the loader in Angular application, and the very second one is the prepare data, and third one is instantiate chart and call draw method. First and third steps are common for each chart in the Google Chart library, and the data preparation might vary from one chart to another. This is the official website of Google Chart library. So this file basically the loader. I already added this file in my application in the index.html file. So this is basically loader. After that, this code we need to add in our application to complete the load of the Google Chart. So here, okay, so declaring Google as a global variable. The first argument of this load method is the version name or number. Current indicates the current version. For this example application, I modified it with the current version. If you like to use the next version, please use upcoming. The next argument is packages. This is an array of packages. It can take 0 or more packages. Right now I am adding code chart packages in this array. Because start column chart is under the code chart package, and the set on load callback method is a callback, and it will be called once the package will be loaded. So let's define the draw chart here. Okay, we are done with the loader in our application. So for preparing the data, we need to check the column chart. Here it is. So let's scroll down. This is the start column chart sections. So okay, this is the data for the column chart. Okay, Google chart expects the data wrapped in a data table class. So this google.visualization.array to data table can convert an array to the data table, and this data table contains the data for some book sales compared in times. So data preparation has been completed. Let's instantiate the chart. Using this way, we can instantiate the start column chart. So this is the HTML element where the chart will be visible on this element. So let's add this element in the component file. Let's remove this code and create an element, HTML element div. The ID must be kept same, otherwise chart will not be visible. So I had instantiated the chart. Now I need to call the draw method. Okay, the draw method, this method is taking the parameter data, and it has another parameter is options. Using options, we can customize a chart. We can customize the chart with height, title. So right now I'm passing null as a option. So let's see in browser. Oh, now we can change chart, but this is not a stacked column chart. This is the classic column chart. To make it stacked, I need to pass a options with is stacked property true. Okay, let's create a JavaScript class options, and right now I'll be adding a one property. The name is stacked true. Okay, let's pass the options instead of null. Okay, now we can see the stacked column chart. Let's start more options. The width, putting at 600, and height putting at 400. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, now the width and height has been changed. Let's change the legend position. So by adding her legend, and I would like to position the legend on top of the chart. So position top. Let's see. Yeah, but we can't see the all legends. So to see the all legends, I need to add another options that I can normalize. So I'm putting her 2, 3. That means the maximum number of lines for the legend will be 3. Let's see. Okay, and save the data. So this should be max length. Yeah, now we can see all legends. There are 3 possible values of each stocks. One is true, another one is absolute, relative, and the percent. These are the possible values of each stock. So absolute basically is working is same as the true. If we add the each stock value percent, stock columns will be 100%. For the stocks of elements at each domain value are related such that they add up to 100%. Let add the stock value percent and see what is happening. Okay, let's see in browser. Yeah, the 100%. Now we can see the percent value of each section. Let's change the little bit design of this web page. Okay, we are done. We change the look and feel of this web page, and now we can see the stacked column chart for 100% stacking for some book sales compared across time. This is all about using hard-coded data. Let's see if the data is coming from Angular service. Let's create a Angular service has been created. This is the newly created service. Let's add a model. Add the model book order dot model. Okay, this is the book order model. Let's add an array containing the book order details. So okay, let's import the reference. So here let's create a method named getAll. This method will return this book order. In the real application, this data will not be hard-coded. This will come from the backend services. So I will show you how to get this data from backend REST API, the later part of this video. So let's inject the service here. The service name is private book sale service. So here it is, book sale service. Okay, let's fix the imports. Let's create a variable in our book sale items per year. So this book sale service getAll. Okay, so I cannot pass the items into this method, so I need to refactor the code so that I can pass book sale items per year data into the add method. So let's create a build cert method here. Okay, and this method can take a parameter, just the parameter name, and name it items, and this will be array of book order model. Okay, so I am going to create a inline method, name it render chart. This is the arrow function, and this method has one parameter. It can take a callback method. So name it chart. This is a callback method. So let's copy everything from here and paste inside this method. Shift Alt F and cut this instantiation from inside method to outside method. Make it inline function. So I'm structured. Okay, this is another arrow function. and here I'm creating a callback method, and this method only call the render chart method. So render chart and pass this chart instantiation method and copy this code and paste here, and instead of passing the draw chart, now I'm going to pass the callback method. Okay, so let's call the build set method here. So pass these items into this method. So I'm going to comment this method as I'm not using this method right now. Control K C, Control S. Let's see in the browser. Okay. Let's see what happens over there. Okay. So this should be the function. Fine. Okay, I have to save this file. Let's see in the browser. Yeah, now we can see the same charts. So I only refactored the code, but still the chart data is hard coded. So just comment this hard coded data. Let's see. Let's declare a function chart items. Sorry, let's declare a variable chart items. This is an array. So the first member of this array will be this data. Okay. So and now items, I'm going to now items using for is I'm going to iterate the item. So chart items push. So the data will go inside the left and right angle bracket. So first one is the cells here. The first one will be the order here. The second one is the value of item fantasy science fiction per year count, and then item the romance per year count, then item general per year count, then item western per year count, then item is it literature per year count. It's per year count and make it and registration as blank. So array preparation has been done. So as the Google chart only takes the data wrapped in the data table, so I need to convert this array into data table. Using this code, we can easily convert the array into data table. So here I need to pass the chart items. Okay, let's see in the browser. Yeah, we don't see anything in the browser right now. So type of this data will be to string. Google string. Make it. Let's see. Okay, let's see the error. Control error row 1 has 7 columns but must have 8. Okay, let's check. Okay, row 1's mystery. Oh, we missed the mystery and crime, so I should add this column here. Item mystery crime barrier. Okay, let's see. Yeah, now we can see the stack chart, and that is the dynamic. It comes from the Angular service. Next video I'll discuss how to create stack column chart by preparing data in .NET 5 REST API. Thanks again for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, then you will be notified for the next upcoming videos.